Traditionally, plasticizer is petroleum-based, and there's some negative environmental impacts associated with that. What the Dow Ecolibrium does, it takes out that petroleum and replaces it with a renewable feedstock, a plant-based feedstock essentially. So what we can do is offer a greener vinyl, so to speak, that is again based on a sustainable resource. I think these days we all want to be conscious of our environment, right? And with the renewable plant-based feedstock in there, that the compound itself is 98% recyclable. The story and just the attributes of the bio-based product are going to be a plus versus a traditional product. It does not. In fact, there's actually been shown to enhance it in terms of like heat stabilization and odor reduction. It doesn't have, you know, the new car smell, so to speak, that a lot of your traditional vinyl products do. And again, all the other benefits are at or stronger than a traditional vinyl.